Everybody, welcome back. My name is Jeffrey Scott from the FX Design Team, and it's my privilege to be here tonight with a very good friend, but also a hard-working contractor. Frank, why don't you tell everyone about your name and your company?
My name is Frank Raia, owner of Raia Landscaping, established in 1996. And we do a lot of hardscape and planting and computer imaging from concept to finish, and a lot of landscape lighting.
That's awesome, Frank.
Yeah.
What's so nice is that Frank was able to bring me in as an exclusive water feature specialist. So behind me, we just installed the slide and complemented it with a water feature, some safety netting for his customer to enjoy with all his kids. And Frank, why don't you tell everyone about your attention to detail and some of the different crafts that you do that really are a highlight to this project?
First, I'd like to say it was a pleasure working with Jeffrey. It's a pleasure working with a contractor who knows what they're doing. You can work hand in hand with him and the job just goes smoothly. My detail is to go the extra mile where other contractors don't want to go. I'll put in different color borders. We do specialty lighting, beam spreads, lumens, all of that.
That's excellent, Frank. And there's no doubt when you take a look at this project, you're going to see his attention to detail, and collaborating together was a privilege. We look forward to doing it again. And really our goal, Frank, I think we exceeded it, was to enrich your client's lifestyle.
Definitely.
And I'd say we did it. It was a pleasure working with you,
Same
Frank.
here.